Property prices have risen again for 6 months in a row. So if you're hoping to buy your first home, the good news is that prices are still significantly lower compared to their peak in the middle of last year, especially in Hobart and Canberra. But prices are still ridiculously expensive compared to their low point 3 years ago, when it felt like the world was about to end. And over the next 5 years, unfortunately, there's not going to be anywhere near enough homes to keep up with our surging population. It's estimated there could be a shortfall of around 175,000 dwellings, so expect prices to keep rising along with the rent, especially if the Reserve Bank is done with its rate hikes. Meanwhile, the local share market fell by 0.4% today. Despite today's losses, the All Ords has risen by a solid 2.1% this week. Meanwhile, Qantas shares fell by another 1.4% today, while iron ore miner Fortescue Metals was one of today's worst performing stocks, especially after 3 of its senior leaders quit in 1 week. Guy Debelle, who used to be the RBA's deputy governor, has resigned from Fortescue's green energy division. Yesterday, it was the chief financial officer, and on Monday, the CEO packed her bags after 6 months in the top job. Executive Chairman Andrew Forrest is reported as saying she didn't see eye to eye with him on his push towards green energy. In commodities, gold is relatively steady while oil is up and so is iron ore. And finally, the Aussie dollar had a sizable fall on expectations of another rate pause from the RBA. And that's finance.